Activity: describing the parts of a leaf.
Hi everybody, welcome to another adventure learning more about how scientists describe and categorize trees. In today's lesson, we're going to use the video describing leaf parts and their descriptions. We're going to use our parts characteristics sheet, and we're going to use these little cards, which are just the leaf characteristics sheets cut up by all the different ways that scientists can describe each part of the leaf. Let's go to the table and see what we're going to do.
Step 1. Arrange the cards so that they look just like the leaf characteristics sheet. Step 2. Spread out the cards, keeping them in the same order but spread them out. You're soon going to be putting leaves on or next to each one of the cards. Step 3. Read the leaf descriptions and find one leaf that meets each description. Here I have a flat blade going on the word flat by blade and a needle-like blade going on the word needle-like for the blade. I'm going to keep repeating this all the way through. There's a compound blade, and then I'll be adding a simple blade. Here's a leaf with a lobed margin, and here's a leaf with an unlobed margin. Here's a leaf with a toothed margin, and here's a leaf with a smooth margin. Since my leaf has lobe, now I'm going to find an example of lobed with points, lobed with spikes, and lobed with curved tips of the margin. Finally, I'll find examples of palmate and pinnate veined leaves, and then short, medium, and long petiole. Flat, needle-like, simple, compound, lobed, not lobed, toothed, smooth, curves, points, spikes, pinnate, palmate, short petiole, medium petiole, long petiole. When you are done, take a photo of your leaf description sheets, cards, and leaves and upload it to this activity. Then go to the next step, which you'll see in just a second.
Pause the video here until you've completed the work described in the instructions so far. Show your work to your teacher before moving on.
The next step. Describe a leaf. Next step, part 1. Put all your leaves away from the first activity. Next step, take all of the cards and fold them in half so you can only see the flat side or the needle-like side, the simple side or the compound side, the lobed or not lobed side, but you're folding them in half so you can only see one side. Notice the ones that have 3 are a little bit trickier. Next, find a leaf, and you're going to try to figure out, now that your cards have been folded, which side of the card, the half that's up or the half that's down, is the one that applies to your leaf. So I'm looking at both sides of my leaf, and I see that it has a flat, simple blade, so I have the flat and the simple side facing up. I do the same thing with all the other cards until I find the cards that apply to my leaf. After I found them, I take a picture and I upload to the activity. And here is another example. This leaf has no lobes, and I'm doing the same thing, using whichever side is the side that describes the leaf. When I'm done, I will take another picture and upload to Seesaw. I will repeat this for as many leaves as I can get done in the whole class period.